Improving the soundproofing performance of an existing timber floor is simple when you use Selector's FIBREfon Micro 50 sound absorption roll. The system consists of FIBREfon Micro 50 sound absorbing rolls, Decfon 26T composite acoustic overlay boards, and Yellowfon FS30 perimeter flanking strips. Start by removing the existing subdeck floor. Install FIBREfon Micro 50 roll between the joists. Reinstall or replace the existing subfloor and secure the decking with suitable fixings. Using packers to create a gap, install the first Decfon 26T board with the groove facing the wall. Continue laying the boards in a staggered formation until the floor is completely covered. Remove the packers and install the Yellowfon FS30 flanking strip around the floor perimeter. When fully installed, the Decfon boards and FIBREfon Micro 50 combine to form an effective acoustic barrier and will help the floor meet Part E building regulation requirements. FIBREfon Micro 50 key benefits: only 50 mm thick, equivalent sound performance to a 100 mm mineral wool, easy to handle, non-itch fibres, supplied to suit specific joist centers.